Welcome to the second part of us looking together at Rule 8 of the SRA's Accounting Rules. In the previous video, we've covered the type of accounting records you need to keep when operating a client account, and that a reconciliation between the records you keep and the bank statement should be done to identify any discrepancies between what your practice management system that produces these records is saying should be in the client account and what the bank is reporting is in the client account via the bank statement. So now we will look at the next part. So that's Rule 8.3. 8.3 states that you complete at least every 5 weeks for all client accounts held or operated by you a reconciliation of the bank or building society statement balance with the client or with the cash book balance and the client ledger total. Also, a record of which must be signed off by the COFA or a manager in the firm, and you should promptly investigate and resolve any differences shown in the reconciliation. So the COFA should be checking over the reconciliation, ensuring that they are happy with those and signing them off. The COFA needs to ensure that any reconciling items, and these could be things like checks that have been banked but maybe not showing it on the bank statement, or it could be money in transit. The COFA needs to ensure that these reconciling items are appropriate, not very large and not many months old. So very old reconciling items or very big reconciling items could potentially be red flags that need to be investigated. So where there are issues in the reconciliation, you'd expect backing, working, or supporting documentation to be kept on record of how these issues were addressed and resolved. These are all things that your reporting accountant would be very interested in when they do the audit of the client account. And then on to the last part of Rule 8, which is 8.4, and that states that you keep readily accessible a central record of all bills or other written notifications of costs given by you. So this is where you'll keep all your records nice and neat. You'll be able to pull them in an instant. Records like your client account reconciliations, associated workings, and copies of the bank statement, all of that's kept nice and safe. And that is for obviously when the client account is being reviewed once a year. So next time we will look at a new section of the accounting rules, moving on now to what is called Part 3. And these are the rules that are dealing with other money belonging to clients or third parties. So it's the other money part. Remember, staying informed is key, and thanks for watching.